Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Filezilla FTP client on Kali Linux 2019.2. Okay, so in order to install Filezilla FTP client on Kali Linux, we have to follow these three steps. Okay, so step 1, we have to open the terminal. So for this we have to go to the desktop. So let me adjust the window size of this file. Okay guys, so here we have our file. So step 1, we have to open the terminal. Okay, so just go to your desktop, right click on that, and then click on this open in terminal. Okay, so here we have the terminal opened. So let me adjust the window size of this terminal also. Okay, so here we have the terminal opened, and here we have this file. So step 1 is done. Step 2, we have to update system repositories. Okay, so here we have this command apt update. So just go to your terminal and type this command apt update. Because I am logged in as a root, so I don't need to provide a sudo with this. Okay, so if you are not logged in as a root, just provide this command sudo apt update. So let me delete this sudo, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. You can see it's updating system repositories, so we need to wait for this. Okay guys, it's now done, and after that we can install Filezilla by using this command apt install Filezilla. Because I'm logged in as a root, so I don't need to provide sudo with this, so I'm only typing apt install Filezilla. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Here we have this message, do you want to continue? Yes, press Y key on the keyboard for yes and hit enter. You can see it's downloading the Filezilla file, so we need to wait for this. And you can see the progress over here. Okay guys, it's now installed. So let's check out the Filezilla version number. Okay, so let me clear the terminal by typing this command clear. Okay, and after that hit enter. Okay guys, so in order to check the Filezilla version, we have to type this command Filezilla space -- version, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. You can see guys, we have this Filezilla version number over here 3.39.0. okay, and it's compiled on 25th of January 2019. Okay, so let's open the Filezilla. So you can close this terminal also. Okay, let me minimize this file. So in order to open the Filezilla, you have to click on this show applications, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for Filezilla. Okay, and here we have the Filezilla, this application. Click on it to open it, and you can see guys, it's now opened. Okay, and you can click on this help, and then click on this about. You can see here we have this Filezilla version 3.39.0. okay, and here we have some other information like build information and other details. Okay guys, so let me click on this. Okay, let me close this Filezilla. Okay, and if you want to add Filezilla to this launcher, then I'm going to show you how you can add this Filezilla to this launcher. Okay, so for this, click on this show applications, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for Filezilla. Okay, and here we have the Filezilla, this application. Right click on this and then click on this add to favorites. Okay, you can see Filezilla has been added to your favorites. You can see. So let me go back, and you can see guys, if I click over here, you can see here we have the Filezilla, okay, added to this launcher. Okay, you can click on it to launch this. You can see it's now opened. Okay, so let me close this. So guys, that's it. In this way you can easily install Filezilla FTP client on Kali Linux 2019.2. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.